What up, IoT fans? Just bought this TP-Link three-way light switch, which I've been waiting for them to come out with for quite some time. I've got my kitchen that has switches on both sides, and I needed a three-way in order to connect so I can control them without having to do any kind of crazy wiring. So I bought this TP-Link three-way light switch that just came out from TP-Link. This is what it looks like. Only has the common, well, the neutral, as you can see right here. Yep. And the ground, and then it has the traveler's connections right here, and then it has the line load. Travelers, line load, neutral, ground. And so I'm in the process of getting this connected to my kitchen, and I've went ahead and took the plate off, the little light switch. As you can see, it asks that you label the different wires, which I've already done. Right now I've got the, let's see here, the line load, which is sort of like this black screw right here, and then the two travelers, which is the brass looking screws. One is going to be black and the other traveler cable is going to be red on that side, and then of course we have the ground. So I've already labeled those for you guys, and I'm about to rewire to my new TP-Link switch. By the way, the other switch on the other side of the hall has the exact same switch and wiring, so I'm just gonna work with this one. And whatever we do here, you can do on the other one. So here we go. We've got all the cables stripped. Again, we've got our travelers. That's our common, our neutral. Keep saying common, but it's actually neutral. We've got the other traveler, line load, and our ground over there. So this is what it looks like. And then again, let me get the switch so that you can see what it looks like. So we've got travelers, line load, ground, neutral, travelers again, right? And so on the switch, it has neutral, ground, the two travelers, and your line load. So basically what we're gonna do is you're gonna take each cable that we've labeled and we're gonna insert them into each location that has the identical name on the switch. And then we'll take the ground connected to the ground, and then the neutral to neutral, which is right here. Just as an FYI, I don't think these switches work without the neutral, so you have to have a neutral for it to work. I'm gonna go ahead and wire this up and see how it all comes together, and I'll be right back. Here we are again. Just finished wiring up the actual switch. This is what it looks like. It's sort of upside down right now, but as you can see, it's waiting for me to configure it because the lights are flashing, which means I'm good there. I just basically did what it said on the app and followed the steps. Here we got the travelers down to the bottom. There they are, labeled. The line load, going to line load. And then we have the ground and the neutral, which is the white cable. And right now I'm gonna test my first switch to make sure that it's fully functional. There are my kitchen lights. As you can see, they all came on and they all came off. So what I'm gonna do now is wire the second switch, just like I did this one, and then configure it to make sure that I can control it via the app or Alexa. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll be right back. Here we go again. So here's my switch. It's already wired. The other one on the other side is wired the exact same way. I've also linked it to my Alexa app. And so I'm going to try it to see if it works. Alexa, turn off kitchen light.
Okay.
And there you have it. Alexa, turn on kitchen light.
Okay.
Works like a champ. Again, this is the TP-Link 3-way switch. I've got one on this section, and then I've got one on the other side of the hall that controls the light. And it was a pretty easy installation. It took about 35 minutes for both switches. And then, of course, I had to link them to Alexa. So if you have questions, leave them below, and I will leave the link to everything below.